Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Trade of the Day. And for today's Trade of the Day, we'll be looking at the Euro Yen. Now we know that the Euro has been quite a strongly outperforming currency in recent days. So I just want to take a look at it and see where the Euro stands against safe havens such as the Yen. Right, so off the chart we have over here weekly. We start off with the weekly. I just want to show you guys something. Right, in candlesticks we actually see that we see that price made a low and then a high, and then price actually pushed up. We can use retracement from the low to the high, and if we were to open the Fibonacci, especially the 50%, we see the price reacted right at this 50% level. Okay, so there's a 50% support level over here. So that's the weekly support level. Now I'm thinking that price could, because price made a strong push up, price could possibly push up towards the recent high. So I'm thinking price could do something like that, form a double top, and then come back down. Alright, so we have the weekly resistance and weekly support. Let's quickly go down to the daily. Now the daily, this is what we see. Okay, so not much difference from the weekly. It's just that with this strong push up, we can use Fibonacci retracement from the low to the high and open up all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, and we see that the level that holds price nicest is actually the 23 or even the 38. But because price is closer to the 23, I'll take the 23. Further, okay, we see that the negative 27.2 is also at the high, it's close to a high. So this could very well be a resistance zone. Okay, so I'm just going to highlight the 23. Okay, so there we have it, the 23, and I'm going to go ahead and put the daily support in as well. Okay, so we got daily support, we got a weekly daily support. Let's go down to the 4 hours. So on the 4 hours, I can ignore this weekly support line. I just want to focus on something like that. Okay, just to show you guys get a glimpse of all the action. Okay, but let's ignore the line at the bottom. Now on the 4 hours, we actually see that price could very possibly just make a straight push up towards the weekly resistance. If we look to the left, there really is no graphical resistance level at all. Now we let's follow price action. We see price goes up, it comes back down, and then from here price makes a new push up again. So we want to take the retracement of the last leg, right? So let's take the retracement from the low to the high and open all Fibonacci ratios. Alright, we see that this daily support, the 23.6 retracement, also falls in line with the 76.4. At the same time, the graphical level 38 falls quite closely to where price really is. And we'll put the 38 support here, and of course there is no resistance at all, so I'm just going to use the negative 27 or possibly even the negative 61. Right, we can use the negative 61. Okay, so we have an intermediate support, intermediate target, and a long-term target. Okay, so this is something like that. All right, so this is very simple, very clean and clear trade of the day. All right, I'll wait for price to, there are two entries. I either can enter and market now, all right, and go play all the way out to my partial take profit and my final take profit, or I can wait for price to come back down to this level and use this as my buy entry. Okay, and then anything below this will be considered my stop loss. Right? Should price actually come below and break below a stop loss, I would play all the way down to the weekly support, because the stop loss is the level where your trade idea is wrong, right? So let me just put the levels in. This will be the take profit partial, and this will be the final take profit. Okay, we can also actually include indicators, and indicators will see that MACD is above 0, showing further bullish momentum, and EMA, okay, we choose a nice number such as 34. EMA is holding nicely above 34, and even the shorter term time frame, the 21. All right, so definitely further upside for the Euro Yen. So thanks everyone for tuning in to today's analysis of Euro Yen. I hope this has been helpful. Wish you guys all the best and catch you guys tomorrow.